Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and sign up into your Vizio application from your mobile device. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's just get straight into the video. First things first, I want to make it clear that you can do it both on iOS and Android devices. So simply go ahead and open App Store on your iOS or Play Store on your Android and simply go ahead and search for Vizio and make sure that you've downloaded and installed it onto your device. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and click on open. And now in order for you to go ahead and sign up, simply go ahead and tap on create an account on the bottom. Simply enter your email up top, a password that you want to simply go ahead and have. First name, last name, date of birth, select your gender, and then enter your phone number, and then simply go ahead and tap on I agree to SMS messaging for Vizio, and then simply click on submit. Once you've done that, you can simply go ahead and create an account. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.